Canada's population just surpassed 40 million in 2023 due to immigration. Canada continues to bring in thousands of immigrants every year and plans to welcome 500,000 new immigrants every year until 2025. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we will discuss one of the best, most accessible, and cheapest ways to immigrate to Canada. There are a lot of immigration pathways you can choose from, but this one is the best. The New Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot Program is an excellent pathway for you to consider. You will learn about the New Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot Program, partner employers, settlement services, and how to apply for jobs through the program. Please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. The New Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot Program is a 5-year pilot program that addresses critical labor shortages in various sectors and in various regions of the province of New Brunswick. The pilot project was created to recruit immigrants for jobs that have been and will continue to be hard to fill. This 5-year pilot project will be monitored and reviewed regularly to ensure that it is producing the required results. Attracting newcomers, contributing to the economy, and retaining them is high on the provincial government's list of priorities. The Critical Worker Pilot is an employer-focused stream based on the targeted recruitment of skilled workers. Applications for the pilot project are therefore made through the participating employer. Therefore, the program does not accept direct applications from interested applicants. What is unique about the program is that it not only aims to facilitate economic immigration to New Brunswick, but also to help retain newcomers to the area by providing immigrant settlement services. The pilot project works with 6 selected employers to help fill labor shortages in several sectors, including manufacturing, fishing, food production, forestry, agriculture, etc. Partner employers. 6 employers were selected to participate in this program. They were selected for their exemplary performance under the New Brunswick Provincial Nominee Program, their best practices in hiring immigrants, and their ability to provide placement needed for new immigrants. These 6 employers are Groupe Savoie Inc., Cooke Aquaculture Inc., Imperial Manufacturing, J.D., Irving Ltd., McCain Foods, and Groupe Westco. There is a link to these companies' websites in the description box. Settlement services. One of the most distinctive aspects of this program is the focus on assisting newcomers in settling and building lives in the province. The 6 employers mentioned above must provide solid housing and transportation plans to help candidates settle in successfully to their new jobs and communities. This will help you meet your long-term retention goals. Have a thorough human resources planning strategy in place for locating and hiring qualified international talent and enhancing employee skill sets, offering candidates up to 200 hours of language instruction if necessary, and provide direction and assistance to applicants who might want to pursue their Canadian secondary education equivalents. How to apply for jobs through this program. Most jobs in Canada are advertised online through job sites such as JobBank, Indeed, and Jubal.org. But since this is an employer-driven program, when you visit these job sites, search for listings from the employers listed above. Another easy method is to visit each company's website and apply for jobs directly on their website. For example, go to Groupe Savoie Inc. website, select Careers and apply. They are constantly looking for forestry engineers and technicians, truck drivers, heavy equipment operators, mechanics, welders, and industrial maintenance specialists. We have a video with a detailed explanation of how to apply for jobs through this program. Remember, it is a 5-year pilot program, so visit each company's website regularly for current job openings. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.